Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great and your last week's artworks were just amazing. So, this work is very interesting and very simple, very different, and it involves your name. So, this is very simple activity. It's just what you have to do is any size paper will work, okay, even if your name is very big. Suppose you have like 3-letter name or 4-letter, then it is perfect. If your name is like 5, 6, 7, 8 letter name, then you can take big size paper, okay, otherwise small size paper. And if your name is like Ria or Kiara or Divya, so this size will also work, okay. This is half of A4, okay. So what you have to do is you have to write your name, okay, with pencil first. You can keep it horizontal will be much more better if you keep it horizontal, okay. Write your name with pencil first, okay. So let's write here Divya. Suppose I am taking Divya, so we'll write Divya. So how you're going to write D, A, whatever alphabet comes in your name. First write whatever alphabet is there, okay, and then just double outline it like this, okay. You can write this way, you can write diagonally, any way, whichever way you feel like, okay. DIV, okay, again double outline it, VY, and A, okay. Now what you have to do is, suppose write your name, okay. If your name is very big, so take these letters little small, okay. Make these letters little small, or just divide into 2 parts. Or what you can do, if your name is very big, just write the initial like D and your surname initial. If suppose it's Divya Singh, so D and S, okay. If suppose it's my name Falguni Kaushik, so P and K, that's it, okay. Or just write the initial of your name. So there are so many possibilities which you can do, okay. Until and unless you'll not be able to get what all we can do, okay. Once you are done with your name with pencil, so with sketch pen, what you're going to do is, so I have this sketch pen and I have this bold marker with me, these two things. So with sketch pen, what I'll do, it's very fun, okay. Just see here. So in all of my paper, I will make some shapes here, okay, randomly, without any thoughts, anything. Don't put too much pressure on yourself that you have to make it like this, like this, like this. Whatever your however way your hand is moving, let it move like this, randomly, any shape, okay. Just try to have fun. So this is the second step here, right? That's it. Don't make it too chaotic also, don't make it too messy also. Let it be like this only. Just try to cross your letters, that's it, okay. Now what I'll do, once I'm done with my sketch pen, I'll take this bold marker, okay. Now I will boldly outline my name, okay. Boldly outline your name, whatever you have made, or the initial or the letter, whatever it is, okay. Just boldly outline it. So once you boldly outline your name, it will pop out, okay. It will come out from this design. Now how you're going to paint, I'll just show you the final work, what it will look like. I guess then you will be able to get it. So it will look like this. So in this one, the lines are very less, but what we have to take care of is the shapes which are forming, the lines which are cutting our letter. We have to color them one by one, okay. So either take, like in this, I have used one family one color family for one letter. Suppose family of yellow, family of blue, green, red, orange, pink. Okay, you can go like this also, or you can make it more colorful or rainbow colors, whatever you feel like. So how you're going to color it, just see that. Suppose I'll take here, you can even use pop colors in this, neon colors in this. Suppose I'll just show D, letter D, how you're going to paint it. So first I'll do yellow. Okay, I have got this area with me, this very particular area, because this line is also coming and this line is also coming. So I have just got this area to color. You can use anything for this, okay? Not brush pens, sketch pens. Don't use watercolors, okay? Don't use watercolors. Rest you can use anything. So one, like it's divided like this. Now with second color, what I'll do, I have this area with me again. So this is my second color, so I'll color it here. Now with third color, again I have this small area with me. I'll color it with this. Now I will repeat. Yellow, again. Okay. Now this time I'll take orange. This very particular area for orange. Now we have the small one area, so this is for this third color, and rest you will leave black and white like that only. Okay, so what you have to take care of is letters should be wide. Okay, suppose if you want to write J, how will you write J? I'll just tell you here only. So if you want to write J here, J, okay, this wide. Like B, first make B and then this. Okay. C, it's very simple. 1, 2. Okay. P, one line like this, other one like this, this and this. Okay, so like this you have to write your name. Okay, don't write this name, write your name, and this is how your work will look, final work. Okay, I will be waiting for your artworks. You want to make more things here, you want to write exclamation mark, you want to write your full name, whatever you want to do, go ahead and just enjoy coloring. That's it. Okay, and enjoy the scribbling. So have fun. We'll be waiting for your artworks. Have a great day. Bye bye everyone.